Hello everyone, welcome to my fresh YouTube channel. Who is it? It's me, Appletapple, and today we're doing something really super exciting because it's my first what I eat in a week at my parents' place. It's the first time that I've filmed a video like this, so it's like a vlog, but I'm gonna show you what I ate at my parents' place, but it's kind of a mix. So disclaimer, some YouTubers film these videos and just do a work week of what I eat in a week. I'm gonna do the same, just that my work week started on Wednesday and lasted until Sunday. It's not like I did work or anything, it's just that I don't have university classes at the moment, so it was my semester break. I had a break from studying, so I visited my parents' place because we don't live in the same city, and I stayed there for a couple of days, and I thought that would be the perfect opportunity to do one of these videos because I do enjoy them. And if you didn't know already, I am half Vietnamese. I grew up with Vietnamese food. I love Vietnamese food, and my mom loves to cook, so I'm not going to keep you for too long. I will just let you enjoy the video. And all of the food. Oh, all of the food. Spoiler, it was a lot. Okay, enjoy.
This What I Eat in a Week starts with a trip to my parents and a cinnamon bun. As soon as I arrived, I was able to eat some sticky rice with coconut and sesame seeds. And of course, I also had a cup of coffee. I also had some chocolate and later on noticed that a few of the items had passed the best before date. But it still tastes the same, and I think it was only one day. It's just a guideline, but in the end you'll have to decide if it's still good or not. I can do outfit of the day. I can do that.
Yeah, and look at our boots here.
I need to clean them.
Yeah,
So dirty.
and so I guess my sister doesn't have anything below her pants because she's never cold, but I'm always cold, so.
Xúc xem nó bị cặp chú rồi. Mẹ đâu có quen ăn buổi tối nữa. Mẹ ngồi mẹ ăn tí sao?
For lunch, we had some soup and 2 different types of salad, also 2 different types of rice noodle meals. The vegetarian option was with tofu and the other option with beef. And to drink, we had fresh peppermint tea and also non-alcoholic beer. Oi. This footage sat too long on my cloud and now I don't remember what I had for dinner. But I probably had some leftovers from lunchtime, and my dad and I were watching a German comedy show and continued watching it with eating some snacks as well.
Haben wir nicht gesehen, ne?
Then my mom came home and prepared some mango for us. Yummy!
Comedy show.
My Thursday started with a cup of coffee, a bread roll with salad, and another bread roll with jam. There were some sweet buns at breakfast that I didn't touch, so I decided to have a small second breakfast while doing some work.
Good.
Wie heißt das?
Möhren.
Karotsaumieren. Besides roasted carrots, we also had beef in onion rings or bell pepper rings, and also rice and radish salad. And of course, a non-alcoholic lemonade beer.
Bạn biết mẹ làm gì không?
Was denn?
Nướng bánh zucchini.
It's coffee and cake time because my mom prepared some zucchini muffins.
Lecker.
Nase. I'm alone. Good morning, everyone. It's me, Appletapple, and I'm looking for food. Okay, how about an apple, banana? It's nice how there were healthy options, but I decided to eat gingerbread. Oh, yeah! Okay, change of scenery. POV, you zone out completely. And here's me thinking about telling you something while eating, but then I remembered it's not a good idea, so I didn't do that and just continued eating my zucchini muffin. To the library! While my parents were away, I also did some work, and when I returned, my mom made some fresh orange juice, and also they brought back some sweet bread rolls that we ate together with my sister Gold Amsel as well, so she visited. And we had a breakfast together. And it was my second breakfast, but I enjoyed it and I love fresh orange juice. My mom was already in the kitchen after she finished eating, and that's my mom. Say hi to my mom.
Zeig mal, was ist das?
Ich filme gerade.
Ach so.
For lunch we had some thick udon noodles with soup. And honestly, it was so difficult to eat this noodle soup just because of the noodles being so slippery. I pushed the camera back and now you can see me and the noodle soup with the nice dishes and my chopstick skills, because then I kind of managed to eat that noodle soup.
Warum filmst du nicht immer, wie du futterst?
Ich mache ein what I eat in a day. A week, meine ich. We had mango for dessert, and that's the one you saw in the box of fruits earlier. For dinner, my mom made some chicken and also some meat noodles. For breakfast, I had some overnight oats in yogurt and also a sweet bread roll with crumbs and also a bread roll with pumpkin seeds and other things. Then it was time for some coffee and cake. For lunch, we had some thịt kho again with some broccoli. Then I made my way home and had some stew. After I had cereals, I went on a day trip where they served lunch with coffee and a view. Then I had some leftover stew and a cheesecake. Well, a piece of it. Oh. Yeah. Oh my goodness. That was so much food. By the time I'm filming this, I think it's been 2 weeks, something like that. Anyways,
I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope I was explaining everything correctly because I'm not a cook, I'm an eater. Yeah, well, I started to write a food diary because a lot of times I will have stomach ache and I just want to keep track of what I might not process well and also to make sure that I don't overeat. But I think I'm fine because I just remembered some of the mukbang videos where they have so much food. Well, that's not the point of the video. It was just to entertain, to show you Vietnamese food, and it was really nice to experiment with filming with my phone and editing with iMovie. Oh, that was something. Alright, not sure if I'm keen on doing that again. It was really buggy at some point, but I'm glad it's not one of the projects that were tossed in the trash. So that's fine. Everything's good. Alright everyone, since I'm not a full-time YouTuber and since I don't have a fixed upload schedule.
At the moment I do have a schedule, but this video and the editing is a bit older, as you can tell by the length of my hair. Excuse my braid. So I was on a walk which was 10 kilometers long and also had to drive home. I'm really tired. It's 10 p.m. but I'm working hard to publish this video today because I am working on my upload schedule to have the weekly uploads, and so far it's going well.
Why don't you hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you won't miss out on future uploads? And while we're already talking about these, if you're interested in my socials, they're also linked below. You can follow my Instagram, Twitch, Twitter, TikTok, although Twitter is just like my linking social media. It's not like I'm actually twittering something. Just want to let you know, just want to be transparent. But everything else I'm using, yeah. Okay. Oh no, I just noticed this angle looks like a music video. What's made again? Like punk rock. Wow, so nice. I also just had falafel kebab. So good. But so much. Okay, I'm tired. Good night. Bye-bye. Take care, everyone. I'm crying because I was yawning, just in case you're wondering.